cloak, cloak, cloak. A sleeveless outdoor overgarment that hangs loosely from the shoulders.
Hey, can you help me with my costume? I'm becoming a witch for my fancy dress competition in school. Can you just help me think what to wear?
Yes, of course. 1 second. Yes, right. I have an idea. Okay, so this is going to be perfect.
What am I going to do with this piece of cloth? What is this?
Wait. So, here you go. And
Oh,
look at that. That is your cloak. Ta-da!
oh yes, this looks perfect. Thank you so much.
And you will make one colorful witch with this beautiful patterned cloak.
Thank you so much. I love my cloak.
So do I. All the best.
Thank you.
Let's use cloak in a sentence now. Rohan wore a beautiful purple cloak to dress up as a wizard for the fancy dress competition in his school. Cloak, cloak, cloak. Hide, cover, or disguise something.
Hi, are you ready to leave for the party?
Yes, wait, you weren't wearing that scarf before. Where did you get it from?
I had to borrow it from somebody. Wait 1 second, I'll show you something. Take a look.
Oh my god, there's such a huge stain on your collar.
I know, I don't know, somebody was fixing their ink pen or something, and this really big little blot of ink came on my collar and stained it really badly.
Oh, okay, so now I see you've hidden that stain with this scarf.
Yes, I had to borrow this scarf from my friend Tina to cloak it.
Okay, well, it makes sense. It's not visible anymore, so I think we're good to go.
Yes, cloaked well?
Yes.
Alright, let's go then.
Let's use cloak in a sentence now. She cloaked the surprise gift under her jacket while wishing the birthday girl.